Hello everyone, this is the first video of a new series where I will be making a RPG/survival game. Yes, there are a ton of RPG and survival games out there, but very few combinations of the two. So without further ado, let's get started. As you can see, I have already started a bit. I'm using Unity and UMA, which stands for Unity Multipurpose Avatar. It basically allows me to have a Oblivion-like character creation screen without much effort. I will leave links to getting started tutorials in the description for those who are interested. It's worth noting that I'm using my custom created terrain because I had a weird bug where the Unity terrain would just turn red. It was really bizarre. The one thing you're always looking for in an RPG survival game is the plant fiber. It's used for practically everything, so let's add that one first. Okay, the visuals is ready for the plant fiber, so let's make it pickable. So now it's pickable, but you can't really see anything happening. There's no feedback when you pick it up. So let's add that one next. Awesome. Now let's add stones and branches as well. That's odd. The image doesn't seem to be updating. I wonder why. Oh, it was updating the wrong image. But it actually kind of looks good. Yeah, it definitely looks better than this squared one. Oh, new feature. Let's add it. Yes, this new icon definitely looks better than the squared one. So we will be adding the branches as well, which will make us ready for the crafting session next episode. That's it for this episode, guys. Next episode we will be adding craftables and trees. So we will be making our first axe and we will be able to cut down the trees. See you next time.